Don Aussie Nature, and I'm on a mission to find every bird of the world. Today we are in Costa Rica again, and I will walk this very cool trail in between of some cow fields. And I hope we're gonna see some birds today, but as always I will show you everything I see. I'm gonna use the Sony FE200-600mm together with the Sony A7IV and have fun with the video. Is that possible? Yep, red-eyed Amazons. Alright. Really bad lighting condition, but I'll take a photo anyways. Yep, red-eyed Amazons. And we're gonna go and have a look for those howler monkeys down the road. Oh wait, what? Is that a dog or a deer? Hard to see from this distance. It is a deer. Wait, monkeys. Yep, howler monkey. Right there. The other one is still there on the left, entering the tree right now. Walking over. Now he saw the other one on the right. Oh, that's funny. Hiccup. Alright. So he's definitely looking at me. So maybe I'm the danger right now. Which is why I'll take off, even if we don't have like great pictures. But if it is me, I don't want to disturb them. They shall do their thing. So I'll just get my gear and move on. We've got the squirrel monkeys. There is a horse running. Alright. It seems a little bit like the squirrel monkeys are moving the same direction as I am. Great. I think that this is a new bird. Probably a hawk or something. So who's showing for a photo? Right there. There we go. Alright, so squirrel monkeys, check for today. Got them. Nice. Very good. Right here. There's a roadside hawk. Oh yeah, I see him sitting up there. Very bright background. Let me think. I could move to the right, but probably not far enough to get those leaves as a dark background. I'll probably not get an angle. Nope. And he left. Where did he go? Maybe we hear him again. There it is. Alright, let's follow him. Somewhere over there, I think. Where is it? No, way up there again. Why don't you go on this branch right there? It's right over the street. Let's try. Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good. I'll take it. Let's take the shutter speed down a little bit. I'm still on 4000 from the very bright background. So now again. Yeah, there we go. That looks great. The monkeys are still right around me, right up there, up there. There he is. Oh, this is dark in there. A little noisy, but I'm already on 1/400s, 1/320s when I took the picture. Okay, so I've got a bunch of, I don't know, any kind of grackle or something, but with a white belly right in front of me up there, and I took a photo right there on the wood. I just had to change the GoPro battery, which is why I don't have video of it. But right there it is. Yep, got it. Maybe up there as well. Eating those flowers. Alright. What is this? Oh, there's no way those are the capuchin monkeys. Wow, great, amazing. Huh? Alright, so I've got 2 ducks and I guess a parakeet, orange chin maybe. Yep, seems like it. Maybe I get a better picture of the duck from here. Yep, that's fine. I would have to get a little higher for the better background, but they're taking off. Normally the others should follow. Alright, I'm back at the motorcycle, and wow, what a morning that was. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to become a part of our journey in which we will try to find every bird of the world. Write me your favorite picture as always down below in the comments, and I'll see you the next time. Peace.